This video will help you boost your endurance with 4 body weight moves: imaginary jumping rope, burpees, high knees, and jumping jack. But first, what is cardiovascular endurance? Vascular endurance is your body's ability to perform physical activity for an extended period of time. First, imaginary jumping rope. Pretend you're swinging a rope as you hop lightly on the front of your feet. This move improves coordination, rhythm, and endurance just like real rope skipping, but without the rope. Stay light and quick. Next is burpees. Start standing, squat down, kick your feet back into a plank, then return to squat and jump up. Burpees are a full body move that strengthens your muscles while sending your heart soaring. One of the best exercises for endurance. Now high knees. Run in place while driving your knees toward your chest. Keep your arms pumping and your core tight. High knees mimic sprinting and are excellent for cardio endurance and lower body conditioning. Push for speed here. Next up, jumping jacks. Jump your feet out while lifting arms overhead. Then return to the start. This classic exercise engages both upper and lower body while keeping your heart rate up. Find a steady rhythm and keep moving.